Sales play number 1 is make irresistible offers in your cold emails. This prospecting tactic is going to help you book a lot more meetings via cold email. Think about the number 1 goal for sellers when they're outbounding, to book meetings. As a result, they default to the most direct call to action, which is asking for time. Scroll to the bottom of almost any prospecting email, and it'll end with something like, "Do you have 30 minutes to discuss?" Because prospects are bombarded with dozens of these asks every single day, they've been conditioned to expect them. So this email approach becomes noise and doesn't work. Buyers simply delete or reply, "Not interested," instead of taking a meeting. So if you want to stand out and pierce through the noise, do the unexpected. Here's what to do. Change your CTA from asking for time to making an irresistible offer. Here's what it looks like. This is an example from Jed Marley, friend, fellow hooper, and head of outbound at Mailshake. Instead of asking for something, he reaches out and gives something valuable with no strings attached. In this case, it's an email deliverability report. It breaks the norm and does the exact opposite of what most sellers do in their outreach. And that's why it's so effective. Plus, the offer is so relevant and compelling that it's hard to resist. You can create a powerful offer too. It could be a quick step-by-step guide, like the one you're watching now, a copy-paste template that they can apply to their job, or a checklist that shows them exactly how to reach a specific outcome. Remember, your first goal when prospecting isn't to book a meeting, it's to spark a conversation. If you want to get on your prospect's radar and build trust, make a deposit of immense value before you ever ask for anything. That's how you stand out and book more meetings with irresistible offers. All right. Next, you're going to learn the all-time best cold call opener that I ever wrote.